Today we're going to be sleeping over with some elephants in the most rural part of Thailand.
Chiang Mai area.
This is our little bad boy commute. It's only, I think, an hour or two drive. We have done some research into this to try and make sure we go to one of the more ethical of elephant sanctuaries, of course. So there's no riding them, there's no all that kind of stuff, which is exactly what we want.
We just seen a snake. What the fuck?
How in the back arse of Thailand, up in the mountains, have they got better roads than Leash? Just seen the locals wearing mosquito hats and covered head to toe, and we're here in gas shorts.
I'm smart.
Oh shit. I've just been brutally attacked by a dog. I need to go. We've picked up a little stowaway.
He just said, I think the dog wants to come with. Just popped him in the back.
We're on the road again. Is that look?
Enjoy that look.
Seatbelts on. All ready to go. Take back everything I said about the Irish roads. You see the mountains here, all the way in the back. You see the mountain range up here. Over there, you can't see it because of the clouds, but that's where we were when we climbed the mountain, the highest points. And now we're just up here, and we're gonna make our dinner in this little shack, and then just look out over the Doi mountain range.
What the fuck is happening? We're gonna be eating or making tom kha kai with chicken.
The food cooking in the bamboo.
Just making yourself a bamboo spoon.
It's pretty cool. The other guy made himself a bong, but a spoon is close enough. It's a little spoon. Oh, careful. Hot.
A bit hot.
Oh, that's good.
Very nice.
I'm so proud of this spoon. I'm so proud of it.
It's a good spoon.
More, cut more. Okay.
Yes, it's
Going for the finer details now.
definitely not a job made for me.
They had a whole year.
Whole year? Oh.
I accidentally ate one of the peppers whole. Oh my god. Oh, it's becoming a common theme here. I didn't look. I just put it on my spoon and ate it. Oh. Oh. Fuck, it's hot. Oh, oh my god. Oh, it was so spicy.
That's why he puts it on here first.
Yeah, I understand now. I was wondering why he put it on his plate and then like looked at it. I was just scooping it and then just putting it in my mouth. And then, yeah, I got caught.
I take a bite, I take like one of these
Seeds.
One of the seeds at a time. Sounds so.
Look how good this spoon is. Huh? No spillage. That was by far the most peaceful lunch I've ever had. Fire burning out. Shul having her last bits to eat. Just amazing. Our guide's been gone for quite a lot of time.
Yeah, it's getting mushrooms.
Is this our dog now?
Hi.
Look at the balls on him. I could live this life. This guy, as we were on our way up from the tour as well, delivered the beer to all the local people. So he just obviously came from the city, filled up on Chang beer, and then every like house we stopped at, he just dropped off beer to everyone. Amazing. He's still here. He's still coming. We're now on our way to a temple, so she'll have to change into some clothes.
I think I have this one.
Apparently this temple has been built out of more or less wattle and daub. We haven't lost our friend. He's just running beside us. At the village now. One of the older temples. Dog's still here. It's a cocoa tree. Completely handmade.
We're now starting our 2-hour hike because someone chose 2 hours instead of 1. We're going to the middle of nowhere. Like, our guide is getting a candle now because there's no electricity. You're holding it.
Slingshot in case there's any animals that come.
You said for monkeys.
I hope so.
Oh my god. Where are we?
Honestly, we're at the top of a mountain in the middle of Northern Thailand.
Hiking.
Should have got a job.
Yeah.
Only 2 hours left. Wouldn't want to fall down there. Just put a stick through a massive hole and twisting it around. Hadn't a clue what we were doing. Turns out it was a tarantula hole. Very nice. Sure loved it.
He's trying to get spiders at holes.
Yeah. She's got herself a stick. This dude just went over, saw like a bamboo in the distance, knew exactly which one it was, like ran over to it, hacked down one of the branches, pulled out like a bamboo worm, if you don't know what they are, and just ate the fucking thing. Quick apology to Shield's mum. She's already seen a snake and the biggest spider she's ever seen in her life. And we've still got like an hour more left on this hike. I love this. The path is just being made by whacking a knife around. We're staying at the bottom of a waterfall, so I assume whenever this stops, we stop. Oh my god, we finally found our spot to stay for the night. And how cool is that? He gave me a wawa that he got from the tree. Does not taste very nice, but oh, we're still going, so I don't think that's where we're staying. Oh, we got a tree. We keep going. We're at the rice fields. That is beautiful. We drove away from you for 20 minutes, then hiked an hour and a half, and then he randomly just spawns back. Still going. But oh my god. What have I?
Respecty Jungle Queen.
Oh, it's like gunpowder. Yeah, I can hear the waterfall. Oh my god. So this is where we're gonna be staying. Holy
That right.
shit.
Who booked that right? Huh?
That's insane. We got our bed just here. Oh my god. It is time to swim. We got a little friend here as well. It's not very deep. Oh, this is so cool. We literally stayed there. It's like the coolest place I've ever been.
Oh, she'll found a spider. This is genuinely magical.
It's like a place where you propose to your girlfriend.
We got upgraded a room, so we've now got a bigger bed because nobody was here. But even the bed looks magical. Can't believe that we're here. Our view from the room, absolutely incredible. I don't think we're topping this. Oh man. Ah, time to go cook up a curry. Never mind. They've cooked up a feast for us. Whoa, with extra rice and a candlelit dinner. So we just finished the dinner. It was really good. It was really good. And he joined us as well, our tour guide, so it was really sweet. He was telling us a bit about his village, his family and stuff like that. And I thought it was really nice. Got the beer, got the fire pit, got show. See you tomorrow. Good morning, Kevin. It's definitely one of the most beautiful spots you can stay. However, a lot of bugs in the bed. The bed was dirty. The bed was a bit wet. But I still liked it. But definitely, you know, you could feel stuff crawling in the bed, which was not so nice. And I kept on reassuring Juul that the stuff that was in the bed wasn't what she thought it was. I ain't got a clue, to be honest with you. She still thinks that I know, so she probably only realize when she sees us now, but could have been anything in that bed for all I know. I ain't Bear Grylls. But we slept. It's 7:30 now, and then we're gonna make banana pancakes and coffee, so how bad? Hey. They got pretty big spiders here, and our guide said they're harmless, so let's go show something. Size of this bad boy.
Long leg.
Yeah, he got long legs.
I can't believe you did that.
He literally just took the spider Juul was so afraid of. Like, there's a really big one just next to the tree, next to the waterfall. Juul says she's so afraid of it because it's huge. He just ran over to it and just grabbed it. Just no fear at all. What a legend. Well, I held big spiders and ate bamboo worms. Good morning.
I didn't.
Now we hike back. Mosquito repellent.
Exactly.
Oh. Also for barbecue?
Yeah.
Slightly steeper going up. Oh, that's a beautiful sight. So we're off to our next spot. He's allowed in, he just refuses to go in. So we're off to the village now, go look at his village.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. A little bit of a bumpy ride, but it's fun. Seen a massive tarantula, and now he's back on board. Juul, you're in his way. Is he? Just looked around the local village, and it was so cool. They're so resourceful. Every little leaf has its part to play. Whether it's, you know, making a pillow, making a basket, cooking, cleaning, everything works and everything's there for a reason. So cool. It's really a family vibe as well. Everyone talk to everyone, play with everyone, trade with everyone. It's really impressive. So we're going rafting now, and it's going to be very intense, so much so that you're not even supposed to bring a GoPro. So I guess we'll just see you after the rafting, after the bamboo rafting. So that's gonna be fun.
Here, there you go. Got it?
Yeah, you want some? Okay, let me peel it first.
I'm peeling it. Just a second. There you go.
That is a freaking.
No.
Wow. Come on. You want it? There you go. There you go. A load of dirt on his head. That's just basically sunscreen, and they only sweat from their eyes and their toenails. He's found the secret stash.
That's it.
Off to the river.
Nearly made it to the water after 5 snack drinks.
He's just walked down the stairs. How'd you do that?
Oh my god.
Alright, well we made it to the end, and now it's time to take the bus back home. Till next time.